Morning guys, how is everybody doing? It's currently Sunday morning. I am literally just filming this because the video that I've done through the week, which is meals of the week, what we eat for dinner time of an evening as a large UK family. I forgot to do an intro as usual. Those videos are really kind of, yeah, tricky to do intros to. So for those of you that are new to my channel, hi, my name's Rosie. I generally upload videos a couple of times a week, lifestyle vlogs, hauls, that kind of thing. Again, as I said, today's video that you're about to see is a meals of the week. Generally what we eat as a family at tea time, dinner time of an evening. So for those of you that are new to my channel, I would love if you could subscribe. It's free. What are you waiting for, guys? Press the subscribe button down below, and yeah, please also don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoy it. It just helps me understand what videos you guys prefer, what videos you guys enjoy. And I am also over on Instagram if you would like to go over there and give me a following. It's at RosieSimpson_. So this is actually me from the future. As I said, I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye bye. Hi guys, so tonight's tea is baking potatoes, well, a baked potato with some baked beans and sausage for those that want beans and sausage. Others just plain baked beans, and then we've got traditional butter. I'm also going to do a cheese savoury, so I've just got some grated cheddar, a cucumber, some tomatoes, and then I'm also going to do a tuna mayo, so tuna in spring water and then just some light mayonnaise, and I will show you all when it's finished. So I've just popped the potatoes in the oven and I'm going to cook them on 180, that's fan assisted electric oven, for about an hour and a half, and I shall let you see obviously when it's finished. Also guys, excuse the dogs in the background, I do apologise, they're not mine. So Jaden's got jack potato with, that's actually not Jaden's, that's Lexi's. Lexi's got tuna mayo and cheese savoury. Jaden's got sausage and beans with some prawns and tuna mayo. And Xander has cheese, butter and sausage and beans. Jaden doesn't have butter because he doesn't like butter. And I'm having cheese savoury, tuna mayo and some prawn mayonnaise with butter, and Kenzie's not in yet, so he'll obviously get his when he comes in, and Marley literally had a cheese savoury roll. She'll probably get something later on. And Megan's got jack potato with more or less the same what I've got, and yeah, tonight's tea, jack and potato with a selection of fillings. Tea is chicken burgers. I've got some southern fried chicken burgers. These ones are the ones that I got from Tesco's, and if anybody's seen my Tesco haul, you will remember me saying that I couldn't get long lasting, not long lasting, but in date for a few days, plain chicken steaks from Tesco's when I was there. So as I said I would, I nipped to Aldi and I picked up some of their breaded chicken steaks. I just got 4 of those. And then for Jaden, who is on the spectrum and I'm afraid has had enough of chicken burgers, I also picked up just some quarter pounders. These are just Aldi's own. What I'll do is I'll cook all of them, and then what isn't eating for tea. I'll probably be eating for supper, or they can have them tomorrow. And then we've just got some fresh lettuce to go with that. The kids will have bacon as well. Some coleslaw that I need to use up, so if anybody wants coleslaw with their burgers, they can have that. Then we've got some cream cheese slices. They're not cream cheese slices at all, they're just cheese slices. And if anybody wants any French fries, they can have some fries. And then just white rolls and a mixture of brown rolls. And guys, can I just show you this as well? I know it's nothing to do with tonight's tea, but I've just bought the kids a pumpkin. Now usually I would buy them one each, but if I do that, I generally end up getting to do the pumpkin because they get bored, so I usually have 3 pumpkins to finish. Anyways, I just bought one this year and I got it from Aldi, and this is an extra large and it was £2.50. Oh my word, and believe it or not guys, they actually had bigger ones than this for like £5. I'm just gonna say, yeah. So the plan is they can just all have a go at this, and you never know, maybe I can make a pumpkin soup or something with what's inside the pumpkin. So yeah, so that's tonight's tea. Chicken burgers and fries. And it's literally our fake out night, so yeah, cheaper than ordering in. So we've got Jaden, who has a beef burger, lettuce and some bacon, and he'll probably want sauce on his. And then we've got Lexi, who has just a plain chicken burger with some lettuce and some bacon, and obviously she's got her fries. And then Xander, who's just got cheese and a chicken burger. And it's just crazy how each and every one of them are so different, and how each and every one of them likes their burgers differently. So I've still got mine, Marley's, Beth's and Kenzie's to do. Megan's not in, she's actually out at the moment, so I'm just going to pop sauce on Jaden's. Lexi doesn't want sauce, and sauce on Xander's. Marley's got plain chicken burger with lettuce and fries. She's got 2 of them because she said she's rather hungry. And Kenzie's then got KFC chicken with some lettuce, and he'll have mayonnaise with his, and some fries. Morning guys, happy Wednesday. So I'm starting this one early today because it's going in a slow cooker. So today's tea is a beef stew. I've literally just got some Scottish beef, excuse the dog's food just cooking in the corner. Yeah, I've got some Scottish beef. I've just got, if it will focus, there we go. I've just got 4 of those. Also please excuse the washing machine in the background, it is actually really early, it's not even 9 o'clock. I've got some plain flour, and that's literally just for when I'm browning off the beef before it goes into the slow cooker. Some tomato puree, carrots, I found a parsnip, so I'm going to chuck that in as well. A butternut squash, because I do like butternut squash. I'm going to use 2 beef stock cubes, some aromat seasoning just for a bit of flavouring if the rest of the stuff that I use isn't enough flavour, and then some smoked paprika just to give it a nice little sweet taste, or that smoky taste, oregano, an onion, oyster sauce and some black pepper. Now there is also some tatties to go with this. I'm going to do mashed potato, but I need to go to the shop and buy the tatties because we've actually run out of tatties. Surprise, surprise. So once this is all finished, I will show you the finished plate. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you all later. Bye. Tonight's tea, homemade stew, homemade Yorkshire puddings that are a little bit of a disaster, and mashed potatoes and broccoli. You can't see the mash because unfortunately it's covered up, but yeah, so this is Jaden and Lexi's tea, and Xander's got his already in the living room. Kenzie's and Beth's. guys, hope you're all well. So tonight's tea is just a homemade spaghetti bolognese. Ingredients are Aldi's lean steak mince, 5% fat, mixed herbs, a vegetable stock cube for flavour, lazy garlic because I'm being lazy this evening, sliced mushrooms because, believe it or not, it was actually cheaper to buy the sliced mushrooms than it was to buy the packet mushrooms, well, like the whole mushrooms, an onion, some whole wheat pasta and a couple of tins of chopped tomatoes, and that is tonight's tea. So I will show you the end result when it's finished. And there we have it, guys, tonight's tea, homemade spaghetti bolognese. I have changed the pasta just because my older children are actually out tonight and they wouldn't eat it anyways. So yeah, and then Xander, who doesn't like spaghetti bolognese, has got cheesy pasta with butter. And that is tonight's tea, guys. Tonight's tea is chicken fajitas using chicken breast, and we're also going to do some tortilla chips in the oven with grated cheese. We've got some dips, cheese tortilla chips, got a lettuce, mild salsa, an onion, cucumber for the fillings, and then we've just got some more, well, extra tortillas, and then we're going to use the fajita kits, which are the old El Paso. This is the crispy chicken one because it's the mild one for the children and anyone that doesn't like spice. And then we've got a fajita smoky barbecue one, which they say is mild, but it's not mild. Sorry about that, that's just the dog in the background. So yeah, so once it's finished, I will let you see the outcome. So something a little different this evening. I usually show you the end result, which is generally what's on the plate when it's ready and done. But for this, really, the kids and that are just going to help themselves, and we're just kind of like going to go with the flow. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like after it's been cooked. Pardon, you can actually see my shadow. This is the crispy chicken. Everything was actually in the pack, so you just get your chicken, you cover it in the crispy breadcrumbs and stuff, and then you just cook it in the oven. So that's ready for the children. In the pan, what you can see cooking is just the barbecue chicken fajita mix. In that we've just got some peppers, onion and the chicken, and then everything obviously that you need comes in the box. And then excuse the bread and the porridge in the background, is the weekend, my lovelies, and yeah, I'm having a lazy day, so I've not put those away. real family life. And then obviously you've just got the fajitas. They're not fajitas, the like the tortillas, they're like Doritos. Just tortillas with some cheese and stuff on, and then the sauces will go on them afterwards. You know what, I'm getting laughed at in the background. And then we've got like the salad to go on. This is one of the sauces, and then again we've just got the tortillas, which we're going to warm up and put in the microwave, and then yeah, everybody can just help themselves. So that's my meals for the week. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you all soon in the next one. Bye bye.